Very good, Christine. Thank you. He doesn't go in there. He doesn't go in there. Sorry about the camera movements. Let me get a better angle of this good girl. Need a wide angle lens. There we go. Oh, there we go. Very good. Thank you. Are you going to put that away too? Thank you. What letter is that? Don't eat it. No. What do you do? What? Go get it. Go get it. It went under there. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Where is it? Where is it? Can you get it? Oh, Heiny. You got it. Thank you. Where does it go? Where does it go, baby? I love you.